Next topic is JavaScript operators. JavaScript operators. So JavaScript arithmetic operators. So these arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations on numbers. Okay, JavaScript arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations on numbers. So here we have arithmetic operators are equal to, this of equal to is used to assign values to the variables. Okay, and plus is used to add values. Okay, so the assignment operator equal to is used to assign values, and plus operator used to add values. So arithmetic operators are, so first of all, addition, second one subtraction, third one multiplication, and fourth one division, fifth one modulus, sixth one increment, seventh one decrement. Okay, so addition operator is plus, subtraction minus, okay, multiplication and division, modulus, okay, for increment plus plus, for decrement minus minus. Okay, so these are the operators in JavaScript. Okay, addition operator is used to add values together. So subtraction, subtract the values, then multiplication, division, modulus, increment, decrement. So one example on these arithmetic operators. To create one HTML form, operators. Okay, so first uh, take two text boxes. Okay, type equal to text box and placeholder equal to value 1. Okay, and second text box placeholder equal to value 2. Okay, so here we can enter value 1 and value 2 in the text boxes. So when you click on button, that is addition button, okay, you will get the result, addition of two numbers. Okay, add, on click, add function. Okay, so this is the JavaScript function. So we need to implement this function. value 1, value 2. Okay, so the result will be displayed in like a paragraph or span, anyone we can take. So spanner, so we can put ID sp1. Okay, span. So here we to include the JavaScript code in HTML form, we need script type. Okay, so first of all, function, add function, addition function, right? So first of all, we need to read the values from text boxes. Okay, so you enter the values in text box and 1 and text box 2. Okay, so you need to read the values from text boxes. So create where value 1 is a variable, document dot determined by id. Okay, txt1 dot value. So this is the text box id. Okay, here we can take id for text box, and second text box also same, id equal to txt2. So two text boxes is there. So this statement is used to this statement is read the value from text box and store that value in value 1 variable, and next value 2 equal to document or get element by id dot value, and next we can assign the result to the span. Okay, we can display the result in span, so that document dot get element by id. So first of all, where result variable equal to value 1 plus value 2. Okay, so addition of two numbers, and next document or get element by id span. Okay, we are finding the span element, and dot inner text equal to result. Okay, we can assign the result to the span. Addition of two numbers. Okay, so now we can run this example. So when you click on this button, so this function is executed and read the values text box 1 and text box 2. Okay, here is the addition operation. Okay, and result will be stored in result variable and assigned to span. So run this example. Okay, here 12 and value to 13. So click on add. So the result is 12, 13, but this is not the correct result. Right? Addition of these two numbers is wrong, because the text box values always strings. Okay, string data type. Text box values always string data types. So we need to convert this string to integers. Okay, the string values convert to the integer values. So here is the conversions, parse. Okay, parse into parse float. Okay, these conversions are there. Okay, parse int. So now the result is stored in result variable. So again replace this example and again same values 12 plus 13. Okay, 25. So now the result is correct. Addition of these two numbers. Okay, so like this we need to convert the string values into integers. And like subtraction also same. So take same another button. Okay, subtraction. Okay, so when you click on the button, same another function will be executed. So that is uh, sub, sub function. Okay, so the function name and here minus. Okay, subtraction. So replace this example and here 2, 12 and 13 subtraction. Okay, the subtraction value is minus 1. So like this addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus and so increment and decrement is little bit different. Okay, so suppose I want to display 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, so I want to display 1 to 10 numbers. So here we can take another button, display 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, display names is the function. So create here function display names. Okay, and I want to display the numbers from 0 to 10 numbers or 1 to 10 numbers. So here we can use for loop. Okay, same int, there is no int, right? Where I equal to 0 or 1. Okay, I less than equal to 10, I plus plus. Okay, here document are get element by id sp1 dot inner text plus equal to I. Okay, so now run this example. Display 1 to 10. Okay, so 1 to 10 numbers are displayed. Okay, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 up to 10 numbers. So this is the increment. Okay, operator. So first I value is 1. Okay, I less than equal to 10. So the condition is true. Okay, and the one value is displayed in plus in span. Okay, and again cursor is goes to I plus plus, then I value is 2. Okay, so you know already for loop, right? So like this it will work. So this plus equal to is the operator to assign, okay, text to the already existing content. So already we have 1, right, in span. So and again we want to add 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Okay, plus equal to operator is used to add extra content to the already existing content. Okay, so you can write like plus equal to or x equal to x plus y, okay, is equal to x plus equal to y. Okay, so like this we can write x equal to x plus y, x plus equal to y, and also same as subtraction also, y equal to y minus uh, z. Okay, y minus z is equal to y minus equal to z. Okay, so remaining multiplication, division, modulus also same. Okay, increment and decrement. So increment is completed and decrement. You want to display numbers from 10 to 1. Okay, 10 to 1. So the I value is 10 and here 1, here greater than or equal to 1 and I minus minus. The value is decreasing from 10 to 1. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7 and up to 1. Okay, this is decrement operator. Okay, and increment operators. So these are the uh, arithmetic operators in JavaScript, and you practice multiplication, division, modulus. Okay, these three: addition, subtraction, and increment, decrement are completed. These three your assignments for today. Okay, and next one is type of keyword in JavaScript. Type of keyword. Okay, type of keyword in JavaScript. So this type of keyword is used to get the type of the variable. Okay, so returns the type of the variable. Type of is used to get type of variable. Okay, type of variable is nothing but integer variable or string variable or boolean or array. Okay, so suppose you have created one variable, array variable. Okay, using var keyword. So you want to know the type of the variable. Okay, array. So you can use type of keyword. So create an HTML form. Type of, so add one button. Type equal to button and value equal to get type of variable and on click equal to type function is the function name. And script tag function name type function, okay, where x equal to 10. Okay, so this is the integer variable. So but I want to know the type of the variable. Okay, using alert we can display okay type of keyword in type of x. Okay, it will display the type of the x variable. So run this example. Then this is number data type. Okay, so like this you can create string variable here. Okay, this is one string variable. So run this example. This is string data type, right? And we created false. Okay, that is boolean. Okay, so boolean data type. So for example, you created array 1 comma 2 comma okay 4 comma 8. So like this you will get the object data type. Okay, so like this you can get data types. Okay, date. Okay, so this is also object data type. Okay, so like this you can get the data type from the functions. Okay, okay, so here in JavaScript we have uh, data types. Okay, JavaScript data types. So JavaScript data types are very important concept to create the variables and to assign the values to the variables. Okay, JavaScript variables can hold many data types. That is called numbers data types or string data types or arrays or object or any type. Okay, so this data types is very important concept. So in JavaScript there are 5 different data types. That is number data type, string data type, array data type, object, okay, and date, okay, and object and boolean, string, number, boolean, object, and function. These are the 5 different data types. String data type, number data type, boolean data type, uh, next object and function. Okay, these are all 5 different data types in JavaScript. Okay, so first of all we can learn about JavaScript string data types. Okay, JavaScript strings. So JavaScript strings are used to storing and manipulating text content. So JavaScript strings are used to storing storing and manipulating text content. Okay, so we can create string variables. Okay, by using double quotes or single quotes. So where keyword, can name is the variable and equal to uh, Prasad. Okay, this is the string data type. Okay, string data type, name is the variable and the name variable contains Prasad is the value. Okay, we can create string data type using single quotes. Okay, or double quotes also we can create in JavaScript. Okay, anyone we can use, either single quote or double quotes. Okay, so for example, you want to find out the length of the string. The length of the string means here how many characters is there. Okay, here we can use length property. JavaScript length property is used to find the length of the string. Okay, length of the string. So one example on this, create an HTML form, JStrings. Okay, here one text box. Okay, ID equal to txt name and button and value equal to get length. On click equal to my function. Skip it type and the function is my function where name is the variable and the document dot get element by id txt name dot value, and here we can display alert message. Okay, name dot length. Okay, the length of the string will display in alert. So run this example. Okay, JavaScript. So when you click on this button, so 10 characters is there. Okay, Java 4 and script is 6 characters. Okay, total 10 characters. Then inbox, total 5 characters is there. So like this we can get length of the string. Okay, for example, you want to create string variables. Okay, using apostrophes where text content is the variable name. Okay, it's my life. Okay, so like this we can create string variables, but don't create this type of variables using single quotes. Okay, total is in double quotes. In the double quotes we can use single quotes. And next one is JavaScript to arrays. with JavaScript arrays. So arrays are written with square brackets. JavaScript arrays are written with square brackets, square brackets, square brackets, and array items are separated by commas. Array items are separated by commas. So the JavaScript arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable. Okay, so JavaScript arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable. Okay, arrays are index type. Okay, arrays are index types. The syntax for array where for example number of cities. Okay, cities variable, okay, HYD, comma, these are all string values, right? Okay, so like this you can create JavaScript arrays. Okay, one variable contains three values, same data types. So here add one HTML form. Type equal to button and value equal to create array, on click equal to my array function. Okay, and you can display that result array in span. Script function, my array function, okay, where city is equal to same here. Okay, so number of cities is there. So you can display that array in span. Equal to cities. So run this example. So create array. Okay, array values is created. Okay, so but I want to display only one city name, that is called like Bangalore or Chennai. Okay, so I want to display only Chennai. So array is are already index based. Okay, arrays are index based. So array values are stored in using index values. So HYD is in 0 index, and this is 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so based on index number, you can get the values. Address cities of uh, 2. Okay, cities of 2 is 0, 1, 2. Chennai. So you want to display Chennai city name, okay, by individually. You can provide index number, okay, so that it will display only Chennai city name. Okay, so like this you can give index numbers. You want to display Delhi, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have 5 values, but based on index numbers we can get. Okay, and also you want to display all the cities names. Okay, all the cities names in the uh, list format. Okay, in the list format you want to display, use where my list equal to OL tag. For loop we can use, okay, array looping where I equal to 0 and I less than cities dot length I plus plus, and next my result my list plus equal to li tag in li tag cities of I. Then finally my list plus equal to OL tag, okay, closing tag. So here is the OL starting tag and OL ending tag. Between these two li list items are created based on index length, okay, cities length, and we can display the result my list in span. Okay, so inner text, use inner HTML. Okay, so HOD Bangalore, Chennai, Pune and Delhi. So like this you can display all the values from the array, and also same as object data type also. Okay, object data types are name and value pairs. Okay, object values, object data type. These data types are name and value pairs. Okay, name and value pairs. So create one HTML form, object data type. So same as yeah, this example. Okay, when you click on this button, you will get the object data type. You can create object. So object function. Okay, and object function is name and value pairs, right? So list of employees. emp list. So emp id, okay, emp id 100 and first name, okay, and last name or email id, rakesh@gmail.com. Okay, this is one employee information. So like this we can add two more employees. Okay, emp id and 101 and 102. Okay, and one more employee. Okay, so four employees is there. So this is the object data type variable. Okay, object data type contains name and value base. This is the first name, this is the column names, and this is the value. So here also we can get only one employee information using index. Okay, emp list. So I want to get okay, Harsha information. Emp list of one dot first name. Okay, so first name is Harsha and plus email id, emp list of one dot email. Okay, so now run this example. Okay, Harsha and email id. Okay, we can get only one employee information from the object variable, or we can display all employees information in table format. Okay, from object. So here we can create HTML table, HTML table, HTML table. In table, so we have four columns. Okay, emp id, and the second column emp name, okay, and third column is the email id. Okay, so table first row three columns, first row three columns. So employees list dot length and here table row and tier. In the tier we can create four three columns. Okay, this is one column in second row. Okay, three columns: emp id, emp list of I dot emp id. Okay, emp id, and second column emp list dot list of I dot first name, emp list dot of I dot email. Okay, second row is created, and finally table end tag. The result is my list. Okay, so is displayed in span. Okay, the table format is created now. So this table, entire table is displayed in span. Okay, so now run this example. Okay, create object. So table format is created here. Okay, HTML table is created. Okay, in the span table is created. Okay, first column, first row column names, and from second row. So these rows automatically, okay, dynamically created. Okay, only one row is created now. Okay, only one row created, but here we have four rows. And we can apply some CSS. um, Border collapse, table tr and td, and border is 1 pixel solid. Okay, so this is the table format. So from object, okay, we created table format and display that table format in the browser using for loop. And next one is JavaScript functions. Okay, JavaScript functions are already we have completed 3-4 examples. Okay, using functions. So, but what is the function in JavaScript? Okay, so what are the functions in JavaScript? So JavaScript function is a block of code. Okay, block of code, and this JavaScript function is executed when user click on any button. Okay, and JavaScript function is defined with the function keyword. Okay, we can create functions using function keyword followed by function name and parentheses brackets. Okay, these brackets are used to pass the parameters. JavaScript functions is a block of code Okay, block of code to perform uh, perform particular task. Okay, particular task. So the JavaScript functions executed when user clicks on any button. Okay, in any button or anything, something happens. Okay, on mouse over. So number of events is there. On change event, on mouse over, on click. Okay, on double click. Okay, on mouse down. So number of events is there. So I will explain these events in next class. And the JavaScript function defined with function keyword. Function defined with function keyword. Okay, function keyword and followed by function name, function name, and followed by parentheses. Okay, parentheses. Okay, parentheses. So parentheses is brackets. Okay, so brackets. The code is executed by the function and is placed inside curly braces. The code to be executed by the function is placed inside curly braces. Okay, curly braces. So the main uses of functions, we can reuse the code. Okay, you can use the same code in many times and many in different HTML forms, okay? Different forms. Okay, you can reuse the code in different forms. Okay, so you can write the code once and many times you can use. Okay, code reusability. Once you created. Okay, once you created, use the code. Okay,